In the last video, we lined up the dots. But in multiplication, we do the opposite. Step 1. We ignore the decimal points until the very end. Imagine the decimals are just regular numbers. Just move the dots out of the way for a second. Let's try 0.3 times 0.02. If we ignore the dots, the problem is just 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. But wait, we can't forget our decimals. They are waiting for their jumps. Go back to the original problem. How many numbers are behind the dots in total? We have 1 in 0.3, and 2 in 0.02. That is 3 jumps total. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now, start at the end of your answer, 6, and jump the dot back 3 spots to the left. 1, 2, 3. Since we had empty spaces, we fill them with zeros. Our final answer is 0.006. Does this make sense? Yes. You multiplied a small piece by an even smaller piece, so the answer should be tiny. Challenge time. 1.2 times 0.5. How many total jumps? 1 digit here, and 1 there. That's 2 jumps. 12 times 5 is 60. Jump back twice for 0.60. Multiplication mastered. You've cracked the code. You're on fire.